Okay, so happy Monday. So we are going to do a very, very nice unboxing. I am so excited. Okay. This is one of my most expensive gifts that I have bought. So it's finally here. Yes. Rolex. And we have all the papers. Here. And here's the receipts. And it has 1 year, has a warranty. And of course it comes with more documents. I'll show you the card. Rolex. International guarantee. And let's see. Full, here's the warranty. Okay, and this is the manual. And I got the bag, of course. Very nice timepiece. It's wood. Move this to the side and see what this baby looks like. Let's see. Here she is. Nice box. So you make sure you, when you take your watch off at night, put it back in the box. Here's the clock. Good. It's date just 36. Now it's a little loose, so I am going to have to get there's 1 or 2 links. I think there's 1 link taken out of it. Y'all, and I got really, hold on. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? Mm-hmm. Automatic movement. This in the Jubilee bracelet. I love the Jubilee bracelet on it. My Michael Kors has the Jubilee bracelet. Mm-hmm. Gorgeous, isn't she? Thanks for watching.